In the drawing. So we'll start right underneath it, and it kind of creates a shape as it comes out. So I may start to define that shape a little bit, and it's okay to outline that shape a little bit if it helps on the pencil. And we want to build it up slowly. Because it's always going to be easier, and I'm not going to put one. Instead, I'm going to look at the values that exist there, and I'm going to try to copy those values. Again, I'm starting very lightly with the values. Making this area a little bit darker. Okay, another question. What's a good weight of paper for graphite? Well, if you want to create finished work, I would suggest getting some drawing paper, or if you like the smoothness of the copy paper, where we're at with the values. We're working kind of in this area right now. So we'll still need to push the lighter values and the darker values so we have a full range. I just missed out on it. Alright. Definitely lighter down here at the bottom, but alright, that happens behind it. And we'll go ahead and work this bottom part. And we're starting to get closer to creating that full range of value. We're on camera here. I don't want to turn my paper and make everything go even wonkier than it could go. With all the shadows, these areas of value for the second time, they actually become, you actually see them better. If you ask me, you can see little subtle changes that you didn't see the first time. See that our texture's changing a bit. Some people like to work in the opposite direction. Now, if you feel more comfortable with a harder graphite than a 4B, that's fine. Put just a bit of value on here and preserve it. Leave that little area there at the top. A little bit of contrast for the bottom portion of the handle. We're on par with the values. We could overall go a little bit darker with all the values. Go back over the top of things a bit if we needed to. And you're starting on this side of the paper, putting down this darkness. You'll definitely need to have that paper towel handy, or another sheet of paper. Enough of this dark area in the background so you can get a good idea of what the finished image would look like, especially if I cover up that area that we're not going to finish here. So